Did you know that you can start making money online today using ChatGPT, even as a complete beginner? Yes, content creators worldwide are turning this AI tool into a money-making machine. Why not you? You can do it too. Stick around because in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how you can start making money with ChatGPT and really earn real income. Good morning, welcome back to this mind-blowing video. You guys, I received this question on one of our videos, a comment that how can I use ChatGPT to earn money? And I was like, okay, let me do it for you. Welcome back to this channel where we share the easiest ways to make money online using just your smartphone, your creativity, and the right tools. And in today's tool is none other than ChatGPT, your free virtual assistant that can create while and even can write. It can brainstorm for you in seconds. It is your personal assistant. This is a disclaimer, you people. This video is purposely for educational purposes. You can go ahead. If you feel you can use it, you can research more and use it. It is okay. You can go ahead and do what you need to do. So, you guys, I would love to take an opportunity to thank all our subscribers, the new ones. Please sit here, research on what we are giving you. If you feel you can use it, go ahead. And our engagers, I love you so much. Let's dive in. This video is going to be short and precise. And if you feel you want to know something concerning ChatGPT, you can write it in the comment section. So before we start anything and talk about how we earn money, let's first know what exactly is ChatGPT. ChatGPT, it's an AI tool that can generate text, ideas, and content. You guys, think of it like a super fast writer who works for you 24/7, who will never go back home, who will never have a weekend, who has no off. Whether you need a YouTuber script or you need an Instagram caption, blog post, are they for Facebook, for TikTok, or product description, ChatGPT does it instantly for you. And here, we are going to be talking about, after knowing the way what ChatGPT is, where can you find ChatGPT? You can find ChatGPT on your browser. Just go and type ChatGPT, like the way you can see, or you can even download the app from App Store or Play Store of ChatGPT. Now the real gist is about how to earn money on ChatGPT as a total beginner and as a person who has a smartphone. How can you earn from ChatGPT? You guys, I've been earning from ChatGPT for like now a good time, several years since the introduction of ChatGPT, and I'll be showing you and really dispensing for you what I've been using to earn money as a content creator with ChatGPT. Now let's talk about the money deep. There are three different kinds of way to earn money as a creator with ChatGPT, and they are very user friendly and beginner friendly, and at the same time you just need your smartphone and you need internet with your creativity. I'm going to start with the first one, YouTube scripts, because it is like I can give it 98 out of 98. I've been using it, so let me start with it. YouTube scripts. YouTube scripts, this is for YouTubers majorly. If you're a content creator, you use ChatGPT to generate video scripts, catchy hooks, and titles. This ChatGPT saves you time and keeps your content consistent. And you guys, let me tell you the truth. The more videos you have, the more chances to get monetized. And if you're already monetized, the more videos, the more views, the more the money, of course. So when you have ChatGPT, it is so simple. This is what I do. I always use ChatGPT to script my videos. I no longer sit down with a pen in my hand and a book or a laptop to start scripting. No, what I do, I tell ChatGPT, do for me this, or can you help me and transcript this? This is what I tell it. And in a second, boom, everything is there. So with YouTubers, if you know you're a creator, ChatGPT is the right tool for you. Then the second one is social media content. When we're talking about social media content, I take you to Instagram, I take you to TikTok, is it Facebook, and many more others. This one you need content daily, and as you need content, there is an assistant who never goes for break, who never goes to sleep, who is ChatGPT. This one can create for you captions, it can create for you quotes, it can create for you shorts, motivational posts, and even you can use it to grow your audience faster and monetize later through ads, through sponsorships or brand deals. So, like for example, if you have a Facebook page or in Instagram, what I always do, I go to ChatGPT. I tell, depending on what I want, a quote, maybe a transcript, or not a transcript, a post description, a motivation quote. These ones, I tell it what it needs. You be precise, direct it, because what you will ask it, it will give what you want. So this is how easy and calm it is for you to use ChatGPT, and in a twinkle of an eye, you start earning money. The third one and the best is freelancing. I've told you, first of all, most people I know you are going to ask, what is freelancing? Even if you're not a big content creator, get it from me for today. Yet you can sell ChatGPT powered services on different platforms like Fiverr, like Upwork. For example, if you want to write, you can write SE or blog post, or you will choose like to create social media captions. Guess you what? You can't believe ChatGPT will do it for you in a simple way. It does most of the writing for you and you earn money. Why not do this? Now, I know you're out there and you're like, guys, you people, how do I maneuver and I get this Fiverr, this Upwork? This one is on your browser. Go and know these are legit platforms. If you want to specialize in freelancing, even if you want to specialize on a personal basis on freelancing, you can use this ChatGPT like to sell, for example, to sell transcripts to people like creators. It's very hard for them to sit down and go transcript. Others are working like me. So suppose now you advertise yourself, you say, I am doing transcripts. People will give you those gigs. Yes. Now, let me give you like a tip or maybe a bonus point. I was meant to give you 3, but let me give you the 4th. If you're running a Facebook page or a blog post, you guys, ChatGPT can generate engaging articles that you post, and later you start monetizing it with ads. Imagine building a page where AI does 70% of the writing and you just post consistently. That's passive income. And its potential, it is not negotiable. You cannot even say, it is just clean. So whether you're a YouTuber, you're a TikToker, or you're a freelancer, you're there, you're on Instagram and Facebook, ChatGPT is your best partner to start earning money online. Don't overthink. Start small. Use ChatGPT for one task and scale from there. You guys, I would love to end from here, but before I end, I want to ask you, up to now, if you've not liked, why? Please go down on the comment and right there, I'm ready if you want me to make a step-by-step tutorial where I can actually show you how to create content and sell them using ChatGPT. I'm doing it. You can do it. Thank you very much, you guys. See you in another video. Bye-bye.